Lateral thinking is a creative problem solving approach that involves looking at situations from unconventional angles, often bypassing traditional step by step logic. The three key points of lateral thinking are challenge assumptions and question the obvious, generate multiple alternative approaches, use provocative disruption and random stimuli to shift perspective. Challenge assumptions and question the obvious involves intentionally examining what is typically accepted without question. Rather than settling for the first logical solution, this approach encourages identifying and rethinking the underlying assumptions that may be limiting innovation. For example, when McDonald's aimed to speed up service, they didn't just assume they needed faster cooks. Instead, they challenged the notion that food had to be cooked to order, leading to their groundbreaking assembly line system of pre-preparing standard menu items. Generate multiple alternative approaches means exploring numerous different angles and possibilities rather than following a single logical path. Lateral thinking encourages quantity over quality in early stages, as even seemingly irrelevant ideas can lead to breakthrough solutions. For example, when trying to reduce airplane turnaround time, Southwest Airlines looked beyond the aviation industry, studying how buses, trains, even NASCAR pit crews handle rapid turnarounds. This inspired their efficient point to point system. To use provocative disruption and random stimuli to shift perspective, one can deliberately introduce unexpected elements or provocative questions to break out of established thought patterns. This might involve asking, what if we did the opposite? Or bringing in seemingly unrelated concepts to spark new ideas. A classic example is the invention of Velcro. A Swiss engineer, rather than being annoyed by birds sticking to his dog's fur, studied their mechanism and used that insight to create a novel fastening system. Thanks for watching.